Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As today we are going to know about the different kinds of field crops. In the world there are so many different kinds of crops that are grown for the purpose of food requirements, such as the cereals, the pulses, oil seeds, the sugar crop and spices. Even if there are some crops that are not grown for the purpose of food, still they are important, such as the pasture. Obviously, we won't eat the pasture, but if we give it to the cows and the cattle to feed on them, then they would produce milk and that milk will be consumed by us. Similarly, in case of cotton, we can't eat the cotton obviously, but if we give it to the industries, then it will be converted into cloth and clothes and we can wear them. So in the world there are so many different purposes for these crops. The principal crops are rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, spices and groundnut. The objective of today's video is to know about the cultivation practices of the cereals, pulses, oil seeds, cash crop, fiber crop as well as the spices. And to know the importance of pulses and the oil seed crops. Before going to the different kinds of field crops, let us know on what basis these field crops are actually classified. The field crops can be classified on the basis of climate, season in which grown, life of crop plants, source of water, root system, economical importance, use, botanical or morphological similarities. Out of these, the important classification are on the basis of the climate and the season. In case of climate, the crops are divided into two types, and that is the tropical climate and the temperate climate.
In case of tropical climate, crops like rice, sugarcane are grown, and in case of temperate climate, crops like wheat and grams are grown. Now in case of season, the crops are divided into three parts, and those are the Kharif crop, Rabi crop and the summer crop. Kharif crops are grown in the monsoon season from June to October. Example, rice, jowar, bajra, groundnut. Rabi crops are those crops which are grown from October to March and are also known as winter season crops. Example, wheat, gram, safflower, etc. And the third is the summer crops, also known as zaid crops, and these crops are grown from March to June. Example, watermelon, cucumber, etc.
Now there is one more classification that we need to know, and that is on the basis of cotyledon. That is the monocotyledon and the dicotyledon. In case of monocotyledon, the leaf should have parallel venation and the leaf should be thin, whereas in case of dicotyledon plants, the leaf should be broad and should have reticulate venation. Now let's start with the different kinds of field crop. And today we are going to know about firstly the cereal crops.
In case of cereal crops like rice, wheat and millet are considered as important staple food all over the world. Cereals provide essential carbohydrates which are important source of energy for working. Cereals are monocotyledon plants and are grown on large scale. Now let us begin with the first cereal crop, and that is the paddy, also known as the rice crop. Its botanical name is Oryza sativa and was originated in South India. It is suitable for hot and humid climate, and the soil should be light to heavy, sandy, loamy alluvial, laterite to heavy black soil. For preparing the tillage, ploughing, clod crushing, 2 to 3 times harrowing is done, as well as punds are also made. The time of sowing is Kharif season, that is June to first week of July, and Zaid, that is from February to March. In case of the method of sowing, broadcasting can be done, in which 80 to 100 kg of seed are spread over 1 hectare area. Drilling can also be done. In case of drilling, 15 to 22.5 centimeter of soil is drilled and the seeds are sown at the rate of 60 to 80 kg of seed per hectare of area. Now in case of manures, farmyard manure is applied or you can say as compost is also applied, and that is to 10 to 15 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK ratio should be 50 is to 25 is to 25 kg per hectare. Aftercare can be done by weeding 2 times and hoeing 3 times. For the water management, required water level should be 90 to 130 centimeter of standing water. At the time of harvesting, ears are ripen, straw is green, and moisture content of grain is 14 to 16%. For the early yield, we will get 35 to 40 quintal of paddy per hectare, and in mid-late 55 to 60 quintal of paddy per hectare. The varieties are Karjat 185, IR 28, Karjat 35, Jaya, Sona, Jagannath, Pankaj, etc. The next is Jowar, also known as the green millet. Its botanical name is Sorghum vulgara. Origin is India and Africa. The climate should be tropical and warm climate. The soil can be clay, loamy soil, rich in humus, as well as black cotton soil. For preparing the tillage, deep summer plowing is required and 2 to 3 times harrowing can be done. For the time of sowing of seed is Kharif, that is June to July, and Rabi, that is September to October, and Zaid, that is Feb to March. In case of method of sowing, broadcasting, drilling, that is 45 centimeter, and dibbling, that is 45 into 15 centimeter square, can be done. The seeded should be 10 to 12 kg per hectare, and the depth of sowing should be 5 centimeter. Manure is farmyard manure or compost that can be applied on the fields, and that is to 6 to 15 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK requirement should be in the ratio of 80 is to 40 is to 40 kg per hectare in case of irrigated, and 50 is to 25 is to nil kg per hectare in case of rain-fed. Aftercare can be done by thinning and gap filling, weeding 1 times and hoeing 2 times. For water management, these are generally rain-fed crops and require 5 times irrigation at 15 days interval. Harvesting can be done in 100 to 120 days in month of November or December. Yield in case of Kharif season crop is 8 to 10 quintal per hectare of jowar in case of rain-fed, and 12 to 15 quintal per hectare fodder in case of rain-fed. If the crop is Kharif irrigated crop, then the jowar which we will get is 30 to 35 quintal per hectare, and 40 to 50 quintal per hectare should be the fodder. The varieties in case of Kharif are CHS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case of Rabi, CHS 7R, CHS 8R. For the purpose of fodder, the Nilwa, Dagdi and Hundi are the varieties of this crop. Next is the maize. Its botanical name is Zea maize and was originated in America. The climate required is warm and humid, and the soil should be deep, fertile, rich in organic matter, well drained and alluvial soil. For preparing the tillage, plowing, 2 to 3 times harrowing, and ridges and furrows are made. The time of sowing seeds are Kharif season, that is from June to July, Rabi season, that is October to November, and Zaid, that is from Jan to February. The method of sowing is drilling and dibbling. Spacing should be 75 into 25 cm square. Grains 15 to 20 kg per hectare, and for the fodder 75 kg per hectare. Manure requirement is the farmyard manure, and that is 12 to 15 tons per hectare. And for the fertilizer, NPK ratio should be 120 to 60 to 40 kg per hectare in case of irrigated, 90 to 40 to 40 kg per hectare in case of rain-fed, and as for the fodder, 120 to 30 to 20 kg per hectare. Aftercare can be done by thinning and gap filling, weeding and hoeing. For water management, 4 to 5 times irrigation is required. At the time of harvesting, sheets of cob turn brownish and seed becomes hard and dry. In case for the yield, 6.5 to 7.5 quintal per hectare we will get the maize in case of rain-fed, and 15 to 20 tons per hectare we will get the fodder in case of rain-fed. In case of irrigated, 17 to 18 quintal per hectare we will get the maize, and 35 to 50 tons per hectare we will get the fodder. The varieties are Ganga Hybrid 135101, Ganga Save 2. In case of fodder, Hunis, Johar and Amber, and many more. Now the next one is Bajra, also known as the pearl millet. Its botanical name is Penicillium tripodium and was originated in Africa. The climate requirement is tropical and warm and dry. Soil should be poor sandy soil to medium soil and alluvial. For preparing the tillage, plowing and 2 to 3 times harrowing is done. The time of sowing is Kharif from June to July, and the method of sowing are broadcasting, drilling. The seed rate should be 4 to 5 kg per hectare, and the spacing should be 22.5 to 30 centimeter. The manure applied is farmyard manure, and that is to 8 to 10 kg per hectare. In case of fertilizers, NPK ratio should be 12:0 kg per hectare in case of rain-fed, and 25:25 kg per hectare in case of irrigated. For aftercare, weeding 1 to 2 times is done, and hoeing is done 2 to 3 times. For water management, these are generally rain-fed crops and require 1 to 3 times irrigation at 15 days interval. Harvesting is done in 80 to 90 days, and the yield which we will get is average yield, that is 7 to 8 quintal per hectare. The varieties are RHR1, HB1, 3, 4 and many more. Now the next is the wheat. Its botanical name is Triticum species. Origin is Southwest India and Afghanistan. Climate should be cool, dry and clean weather. And the soil should be desert to heavy soil, loamy textured, fertile and well drained. For preparing the tillage, plowing is done 1 times and 2 to 3 times harrowing is done. Time of sowing is Rabi season, that is October to November. Method of sowing is broadcasting, drilling, and the direction of sowing should be north-south direction, and the seed rate is 100 kg per hectare. Spacing should be 22.5 cm in case of irrigated and 30 cm in case of rain-fed crops. Now, in case of the manures, generally no manure is required. The fertilizer required is NPK, and that should be in the ratio of 120 to 160 to 60 kg per hectare in case of irrigated, and 50 is to 25 is to 25 kg per hectare in case of rain-fed. Aftercare can be done by weeding 1 to 2 times and hoeing 1 time. Water management: 1 time pre-shower, second at 20 to 25 days, late tillering, flowering and grain formation in all 5 time irrigation is required. Harvesting is done in 100 to 130 days. The yield which we will get is 8 to 10 quintal per hectare in case of rain-fed and 25 to 40 quintal per hectare in case of irrigated. The varieties are Ajanta, Max 9, that is, these are the rain-fed varieties, and Sonalika, Kalyan are the irrigated varieties.
So that's all for today, and I hope you liked my video. If you like it, then please click on the like button and share this video with everyone. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon for receiving the notification for our upcoming videos. In our next video, we are going to know about the pulses crop, so don't miss that video. Until the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.